in August of 2019, we did a 10-day trip to Vancouver Island. For day one was stunning, starting at Vancouver and ending up in Port Renfew. Darling, could you tell us about the adventure we're just about to embark on?
Yes, I can.
It's nice of you.
We're currently at Tsawwassen at the ferry terminal, and we're just about to get a ferry that goes to Vancouver Island, and this looks like our ferry.
This is supposed to be a really spectacular ride too. We took advantage of the ferry trip across to the island and just kicked back and enjoyed the beautiful scenery and was in awe of how well catered the ferry is. Check out the size of these mobile homes here. The truck has got a special rig in the back of it. We hired an RV for the whole 10 days we're on Vancouver Island. And the luckiest thing, or the smartest thing we did, was to take video footage of all the instructions we got off the lady that rented us the van. Because later on, you need to know exactly how to turn this on, take that off, and when something goes wrong, in the middle of the night, you're scrolling through the footage going, I remember what you said.
Whatever water you use tonight, you don't have to worry about filling it up unless you want to at the next spot. So then if you're in between places, you can still use the toilet and whatnot.
Yep.
Okay? And then this is where your city water, so this is where you're going to connect that hose. Okay?
Right.
All right. Under here, try a 30 to 15 adapter. Okay? Because some places you might not, or some people are just in their driveway, or tonight at Renfew, depending on where you're going to be, you might not find a place with power, and you're fine without it.
Okay.
Gone for the day and sightseeing, you're going to roll that awning back in.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
At night, before you go to bed, roll the awning in.
Yep.
And if there's any wind, like little gusts of wind, roll the awning in. Because it's like a kite. Whoever's driving first, whoever the co-pilot is first, it might have to come back and just like rearrange some things so it's not so loud.
Okay.
Parking lights?
Something like that, yeah. I'm missing the word right now. I just had to get brain fart. Yeah. Clearance lights.
Oh,
which is
great.
like lower so we can see the curb, so we're not curbing anything or running anybody over on that side, right?
So how do you flip between the
just over here on our
blinkers.
blinkers.
Oh, the blinkers turn the mirrors.
Yeah.
Switch the mirrors.
Right? And then if I were to, I'm going to put my foot on brake, I'm going to reverse. So as soon as I go into reverse, our backup camera comes on as well.
Oh,
Great.
that's fantastic.
So we got you covered on all sides.
Yeah.
Now the only thing, can you just go over that park brake again?
Yep.
Because it's
Yeah.
different to what we used to.
Right.
Yeah.
So just touch underneath here, and sometimes you just got to tap this dash right here. So Kim, if you want to sit here, or Kathleen.
It's certainly nice countryside. Just like Candace said, for the first day, the pots and the pans in the bat rattling around drove us mad.
Oh my god. Well, that was wow. Yeah, we'll be there in a minute. Hold on. Oh my god.
Isn't this beautiful?
Wow. Oh my god, you can see snow on that mountain over there.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Okay, this is our first scenic lookout on Vancouver Island. Isn't it just unbelievable? So we've stopped at Vancouver Island, and this is our very first lookout. There's the lovely wife taking photos. Here she comes. Here she comes. Wave. You watch. She's going to wave now. Wave. Oh, lovely. Cameo appearance of our bear. Grr. Fantastic. Where do I park something that's 27 foot long? That's great. This little town's called Duncan. It's got a historical museum. This lady took us for a bit of a tour. The main reason why we were in Duncan was to go to cycle therapy and rent some push bikes and strap them onto the back of the beast. With the Duncan stop, we made it too late to make it to Port Renfew. So we stopped on the side of the road and we just walked through the bush. And when we got through this little beautiful trail, what we seen on the other side was just mind-blowing. This is why I called this video Day 1 Stunning. You pull over to the side of the road and there you are. The only two people on this gorgeous little beach outlet. 1 kilometre across the water, there's America. And you're all by yourself. Absolutely stunning. And as the sun set, we just thought we're in heaven. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click like below.
Where were you?
And we'll post a video about Canada every week. This is Australia. Isn't it beautiful? This is what they call golf.